accordance with the alleged irregular awarding of almost 200 government projects under Duterte's administration, former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV formally filed plunder case against the former President Rodrigo Duterte and Senator Bongo. Details on my report. Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV filed plunder and graft charges against former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte and Senator Christopher Bongo. These charges relate to the alleged irregular awarding of 184 government projects to companies owned by Bongo's father and brother from 2007 to 2018. According to Trillanes, projects amounted to 6.6 billion pesos.
Nag-file po ako ngayong umaga ng plunder case laban kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at kay Senator Bongo. Ito ay tungkol sa mga government projects totaling 6.6 billion na inaward nila dun sa tatay at kapatid ni Bongo.
The former senator asserted that all elements required for a plunder case are evident in the awarding of these projects by the Duterte administration to the company. Trillanes filed the case with the DOJ, believing that the DOJ has better access to documents from other agencies like DPWH, DTI, and COA.
Nag-file po tayo dito sa DOJ dahil unang-una dahil may concurrent jurisdiction, tapos naniniwala tayo na mas may access yung DOJ sa iba't ibang ahensya to validate yung mga dokumento na isinal namin sa DPWH, DTI, at sa COA.
Trillanes added that other major companies might be involved in these transactions. This is Griza Lopez for EuroTV News.